He's a big red chicken, and he can stomp it everywhere. He belongs in Texas where there's a big red chicken. He can say "Roar!"
No!
And he says "Roar!" And this big red chicken can eat every stick of your supper that he wants to share you.
Can he eat
Oh.
chicken?
And eats everybody in his eyeballs.
Oh.
Does he eat soup out of me?
Yes, he drinks soup out of everyone in the whole wide world. He can stomp on everyone. And he can say, "Roar!"
That is so scary.
And he belongs in the big red soup. And he's a big red chicken. And he can say, "Roar!" He belongs in a big red soup. And he says, "Roar!" He belongs in a big red soup with a jungle in it. And he says, "Roar!"
What does he eat?
He eats everyone, and he drinks milk.
Are you demonstrating for us?
And he can